$1,500. Again, I love win-win when it comes to the IRS.
How much do you think you typically can save when you do that?
How much do I think I can save? Well, here in California, on the days where it's really hot, I'm going to save a lot of money on that air conditioning bill. Or if it's freezing, I know I'll save even more. Again, Meg, these are great ways to save money, not only on your PG&E bill, but of course with the IRS. So I highly recommend anytime you can go green and save money, just a great thing to do for your taxes.
Okay, Roni, what about paperwork? Do you need any specific documentation to qualify?
Of course you do. The IRS is not that trusting. You are going to need receipts that you are going to prove that you bought these products for your home. And number two, more importantly, Meg, you need manufacturer certification that what you bought for your home is actually energy efficient.
Roni, is there a cap?
Yeah, there is a cap. It is $1,500 is the maximum cap that you can take.
Okay, now another credit out there is the Make Work Pay credit. Who qualifies for this and how much does it help?
As you know, Obama pledged to lower taxes for lower income and middle income. This Make Work Pay tax credit does just that. You are going to be able to get a $400 credit to you, taxpayer, if you make less than $75,000 and you're single. If you're married, that credit could be worth up to $800. Again, this is one of the best credits on the books because it rewards you for having a job. I like this credit. You don't have to do anything with it. It was taken out of your paycheck. It's not like you're going to get a stimulus check like President Bush sent us. You'll see more money on your paycheck starting in April 2009. Great program.
Okay, tell us about the child tax credit. How does this one work?
Child tax credit. How expensive are children?
Expensive.
What you need to know as a parent, expensive. You as a parent get to take a $1,000 credit for every child that you have under the age of 17. Again, I know that you and I know kids eat more than that in a month, but at least you're going to get a child tax credit of $1,000 for every child under the age of 17.
Okay, there's also a credit available for college tuition. This sounds really interesting.
Isn't it wonderful to know, Meg, that we're going to be able to go to college and get some help from the IRS? First of all, the credit is called the American Opportunity Credit. Sounds wonderful because it is. Parents, here's what you need to know. You're going to be able to claim $2,500 a year for every student that you are sending to school. And that's up for 4 years. We're not just talking about the HOPE credit that only allowed us 2 years. This is a $2,500 yearly deduction for 4 years for tuition, supplies, and all sorts of wonderful things. So again, the IRS, if they're going to be generous, use those tax credits, help send kids to college.
Okay, and Roni, are there any more credits out there, and where can taxpayers find out about them?
Holy moly, there are so many wonderful tax credits that everybody has to know about. Go to irs.gov and type in tax credits, and there you're going to find a ton of tax credits designed to save you money on your tax return.
Do you have a favorite out of all of these?
Do I have a favorite? I'd have to say really that the American Opportunity Credit is my favorite, Meg, because I believe in sending children to college, and I know how expensive it is. I have sent 5 children to college,
wow.
So I'm grateful that there are credits for parents to send children to college.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Roni. Lots of great advice. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Thank you so much.
ABC News Now. Good to know.